Good morning. My neighbor told me that she had elderberry and that she wasn't going to be able to pick them in time because she was leaving this weekend. I've had elderberry syrup before and the gummies, I think, during the sea time or whatever, when everyone was wearing masks and everything, but I never knew what they looked like. So now I have some fresh elderberry thanks to my neighbor, and I'm going to try to make some elderberry syrup. If you've ever made some, chime in the comments and let me know how it went. Thanks. Have a great day.